Hello everyone and welcome to Voiceverse. Today we are going to be talking about Bard AI. Bard AI is a large language model from Google AI, trained on a massive dataset of text and code. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. So let's get started. What is Bard AI? Before we delve into the workings of Bard AI, let's first understand what it is. Bard AI is an advanced language model developed by Google, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot, trained to be informative and comprehensive. It uses state of the art techniques to generate human like text responses to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, it can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. Similar to OpenAI's ChatGPT, Bard AI has been trained on massive dataset amounts, including books, websites, and various sources, to learn patterns and language structures. How does Bard AI work? Now that we have an overview of Bard AI, let's dig deeper into how it actually works. At its core, Bard AI utilizes a deep learning architecture called a transformer. This transformer architecture allows Bard to process and generate text by understanding the relationships between words and the context in which they appear. Bard AI works by using a process called machine learning. Machine learning is a typical type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. In the case of Bard AI, it is trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This dataset includes books, articles, code, and other forms of text. As Bard AI is trained on this data, it learns to identify patterns and relationships between words. This allows Bard AI to generate new text that is similar to the text that it has been trained on. During training, Bard analyzes vast amounts of text data, learning patterns, grammar, and even common sense knowledge. It becomes proficient at predicting the most likely next word or phrase based on the context it has learned from the training data. This training process empowers Bard to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. What can Bard AI do? Bard AI can do a lot of things. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. For example, Bard AI can generate text. It can generate text on a variety of topics, including fiction, non-fiction, and poetry. Translate languages. It can translate text from one language to another. Write different kinds of creative content. Bard AI can write different kinds of creative content, including poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email letters, etc. Answer your questions in an informative way. It can answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open ended, challenging, or strange. Bard AI is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. Bard AI is still under development, but it has learned to perform many kinds of tasks. Bard AI represents an exciting advancement in the field of AI language models, and we cannot wait to see how it continues to evolve and revolutionize various industries. We are excited to see how people will use Bard AI in the future. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more AI related content. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We will try our best to answer them.